Benefit of cold immersion. Cold immersion, whether this cold shower, ice bath, or natural cold water dip, has gained significant popularity as potential method to improve health and recovery after exercise. This practice involves partial or full submersion of the body in the water for a short period. Can be done in bath tube, cold lakes, or specialized center with water temperature at 10 degrees centigrade or 50 degree Fahrenheit. Session typically starts at 30 seconds, gradually increase to 5 to 10 minutes. Research determine optimal process timing not known. Potential benefit. Before this, please go to the full article in the website to know everything about it. Potential benefit of water submersion: post-exercise recovery, improve athletic performance, physiological effect as metabolic, change in hormones, production, blood flow, immune system activation. Other improvement: building endurance, restoring nervous system balance, enhancing cognitive function mode. Very important, again, restoring nervous system balance, especially in hemiplegic, enhancing cognitive function and mood, especially who have some or suspect to have some diseases of what I call hasad and sihr and so on. Risk and drawback: cold discomfort, frostbite risk, hypothermia risk, impact of strains on training. Tips and recommendation: consult experts, medical checkup, moderation, caution. Key codes: research suggests that ice water may have positive effect on the post-exercise recovery and the reduction of inflammation and soreness. Cold exposure can trigger response in your body, such as reduced metabolic activity, changes in hormone production and blood flow, and immune system activation. For those engaged in resistance training, cold water immersion may halt molecular signaling pathway typically activated after exercise, potentially handle long-term strength and muscle growth. It's considered a form of positive stress that can reduce inflammation and contributing to longevity and improved quality of life. Summary: cold immersion, powerful practice of enhancing physical and mental health. Gradual exposure to water can boost vascular health, reduce inflammation, improve mood and cognitive function. Should be approached cautiously under expert supervision. Cold water immersion involves partial or full submersion in water in short period. Benefit include reduced inflammation. Risk include frostbite. Always consult expert after practice and moderation to maximize the benefit. Lastly, I want to stress on importance of water submersion, even use of cold shower at home. This is very important daily or twice daily or 3 times per week, any mode, especially if you are starting. Hope you are okay and aware of diseases and hearing from you. والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.